Hello everyone, my name is Andres Felipe Albandias. This is my third oral task. Today I'm going to talk about what my friends and family are doing in these photos. Please look on the screen. In the first photo, we are the home. My mom is watching a movie in the living room because she is tired. One is reading a very interesting book. Also, you can our dog is playing in the park. In this picture, Jacqueline is taking a selfie and Julian is trying to jump so high. They are spending a good day together. In the last photos, we are the countryside. I am teaching one how to drive and he is follow instructions. Also, Matty is the driver's seat pretending to drive too. Finally, we as responsible people are going to shopping. I am working on my final project. I am studying for my English oral exam right now. As you can see, I am writing some note on my notebook. I am typing a new essay on my laptop. It is very busy after. Now, I am going to talk about my favorite meals and how preparing them. My favorite dinner is salchipapa, a mix of some potatoes, sausages, and little chicken. And your favorite sauce. In this picture, my family is having a big meal. We are eating some fast food, and I am tasting some cheese. Put on top, we all also have four glasses of go with the meal and a lot of sauce. We are eating everything together. This is it, it is smelling amazing. In conclusion, I am enjoying describing this is action and sharing my favorite food with you. Thank you for listening my presentation.